How to reinstall the IMO app? Is your IMO app acting up? Maybe it's running slow, crashing, or you just want a fresh start. A quick reinstall can often fix these problems, and let's get it done. First things first, we have to uninstall the app you currently have. For that, the simple option is simply tap on this IMO and then tap on the uninstall. But as we are going to reinstall, let's do it from the Play Store. Let's go to the Play Store. You can see my Play Store right over here. Let's tap on it and tap on search and search for IMO. And you can see my IMO is installed. Let's tap on it and let's go inside the app page. Once you're inside the app page, simply tap on the uninstall, which is right over here. Then confirm it. And now it's gone. Let's get it back. For that, again tap on install and it will start installing your IMO. Once it's done, simply tap on open. And you will need to enter your phone number and verify it, just like you did the first time you set it up. And that's it, you have successfully reinstalled IMO. Did this quick tutorial help you out? Let me know in the comments below. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.